Hey there, food lovers. Welcome to Cooking with Chuck Erwin. Today we have something truly special for you. We're diving into cheesy goodness with our mouth-watering cheesy enchiladas. This dish is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family dinner, a potluck, or just a cozy night in. Trust me, you're going to love it. The combination of flavors and textures is simply irresistible. Let's jump right in. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need to make these delicious enchiladas. On screen text, you'll need corn tortillas, 2 cups shredded chicken, 2 cups shredded cheese, a mix of cheddar and Monterey Jack is perfect, 1 cup enchilada sauce, 1/2 cup chopped onions, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1 teaspoon cumin, and 1 teaspoon garlic powder. And don't forget the fresh cilantro for garnish. It adds a wonderful burst of freshness to the dish. Step 1. Prep the filling. First, grab a bowl and mix in your shredded chicken, 1 cup of cheese, onions, cumin, and garlic powder. Make sure everything is well combined. Boom! That's your flavor-packed filling. It's so easy to make and absolutely delicious. Easy peasy. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Soften and roll next. Warm up those tortillas. This step is crucial to make them pliable and easy to roll. You can give them a quick dip in the enchilada sauce or zap them in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Either method works great. Then roll them up with the filling nice and tight, folks. This ensures that all the delicious filling stays inside. Step 3. Layer and bake. Now, line up your enchiladas in a baking dish. Make sure they're snug and cozy in there. Pour over the remaining enchilada sauce, making sure each enchilada is well coated. And don't be shy. Sprinkle all that glorious cheese on top. The more cheese, the better. Step 4. Bake to perfection. Into the oven they go. This is where the magic happens. Set it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 20 minutes. Just enough time for that cheese to melt into golden bubbly perfection. You'll know they're ready when the cheese is melted and bubbly and the edges are slightly crispy. Final reveal, the money shot, and boom! Would you look at that cheesy masterpiece? It's a sight to behold. Top it off with a dollop of sour cream and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. This final touch adds a burst of flavor and color. You've just made the best cheesy enchiladas ever. They're perfect for sharing, but we won't blame you if you want to keep them all to yourself. Closing call to action. Feeling hungry now? I bet you are. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and tag someone who needs to make this. Trust me, they'll thank you for it. I'm Chuck Erwin, and this has been Cooking with Chuck Erwin. See you next time. Keep cooking and keep smiling.